Mga ka-safety, good morning or good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ruel at Safety First. Una sa lahat, binabati ko yung mga ka-safety ko dyan sa sa abroad o mga OFW, lalong-lalo na yung nagtatrabaho sa mga construction at sa oil and gas. At yung mga seaman, kumusta kayo dyan? At higit sa lahat dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga workers natin. Ngayon, yung topic ko ngayon is tungkol sa behavior and attitude ng mga workers. Dahil dati, 9 years ako sa abroad bilang safety officer or analyst sa isang malaking oil and gas petrochemical company. So millions of contractors ang na-encounter ko. So ito yung mga behavior and attitude ng mga workers. Una, shortcut job. Ka-safety, please do not practice shortcut job. Because shortcut job is more an incident, an accident, and you will die. So I'll give you one scenario. Shortcut job. Ganito yan. Yung activity nyo nandito. So ano ito? Safety glass. Ano ito? Helmet. Ito yung protect sa ulo natin. Ito yung sa mata. So ngayon, gumagawa kayo ngayon ng activity. Nangyari, tinanggal nyo yung helmet nyo. Yung safety glass nyo dahil walang safety officer around that area. So once you saw one guy wearing red helmet, who's that guy? My friend, that guy is a safety officer. So immediately, automatic, sinusuot niya yung safety glass, helmet, and binabati niyo pa yung safety. Sir, good morning, good afternoon. That is not good practice, mga ka-safety. Now, this is the most important. Bakit kayo nandyan sa abroad? Mga OFW, mga ka-safety dyan, mga seaman. Dahil nandyan kayo para kumita. So pagdating ng sweldo, papadala natin sa pamilya. So once, yung pamilya natin makareceive ng pera, so they are happy, right? So ngayon, if during your vacation, if one of your eyes is missing, your finger is missing, you walk like this, your family happy? Of course, my friend, your family, they are not happy. That's why I told you, please do not practice shortcut job. Because shortcut job is more on incident and accident and you will die. Just remember, my friend, tandaan nyo. Ano ito? Helmet, PPE. So PPE, my friend, meaning PPE, this is your first and last line of your defense. So kailangan natin, ugaliin natin magsuot palagi ng PPE pag may activity tayo. And I don't want it happen to you, ka-safety. Or one of your friends that one of your family, they will receive dead body. Your family happy? Your kids happy? Of course, my friend, your family, when they receive money, they are happy. When they receive dead body, my friend, your family, they will cry, my friend. So I told you once again, safety first is the top priority. So kailangan natin ugaliin magsuot ng PPE dahil ang PPE, ito yung first and last line of your defense. Okay mga ka-safety? Sana ho may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat po. So kita-kits tayo ulit bukas.